it's going to take every bit of your energy, time, focus, and resources, dear Pisces, to get yourself into a frame of mind that supports the life that is most valuable to you. Because it all starts with the frame of mind, okay? It all begins with the conversation that you're having in the inner dialogue. And part of that inner dialogue and the shift that is required means that you've got to make decisions that support you to use your ability to be present, use your ability to shift the inner dialogue and so on. And sometimes what that means is the diet's really important. You know, for example, moving your body, making sure that you're getting out and about, get some sunshine wherever it is that you can. For example, vitamins, supplements, minerals, water, all of these things. I don't want to overwhelm you, and I'm sorry if I'm overwhelming you, but all of these things are part of you operating from a space that you need to operate from, which is shifting the inner dialogue to then live the life that is most valuable to you. 2026, the Pisceans become very clear about the life that is most valuable to them and what it takes to live that life. And so I would also recommend the Pisceans get a list together. Write a list of all the things that you would love to, maybe changes that you'd love to create in your space, in your physical space. So it could be, for example, today I'll write down, clear out the office. This is my office. And what I'll do is get in and start clearing out bits and pieces in the office if I haven't already, or the kitchen, or whatever, any space in your home. This is also going to be very supportive in allowing the Pisces to operate from a more calm, peaceful, and meditative space.